It's time to take a look at the KTC H27P27 27-inch monitor, a 60Hz 4K monitor. Let's go ahead and unbox it. There's the base for the stand, the arm for the stand, a power adapter, an HDMI cable and power cable, as well as the user manual. There's also a factory calibration report for this monitor. And of course, the monitor itself. On the back, there's a designated mounting area for VESA mounting or a monitor arm. As for connectivity, there's the power jack, 2 HDMI ports, a display port, and the headphone jack. Installing the stand is easy. The arm clicks into place behind the monitor, and the base clicks onto and connects to the arm. On the back of the monitor, there's a joystick control button, which powers on the monitor and also navigates through the monitor settings. So if you wanted to increase the brightness or change other settings around, you would use this joystick button to do so. This monitor has a matte finish, which helps reduce unwanted glares and reflections, especially during the day when the sun is out. It has a borderless look design, which gives it an attractive look and feel. It's equipped with an IPS display with 98% sRGB and HDR 400. There's also a low blue light mode, which will help filter out blue light and relieve strain on your eyes. It also has 400 nit brightness, and really brings out the quality of what you're watching. The 60Hz refresh rate is nice and will work for gaming, but it won't be the best monitor to use for most high-end games, which will be better played on 120Hz or higher. So this monitor will come more in handy with watching videos and movies, casual gaming, work, and photo or video editing. As for the stand, the monitor tilts forward and back. However, it doesn't rotate side to side, so you'll need to move it with the base. It's a good 4K monitor, priced just under $220 US. I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.